We're Lauren and Scott, and we are cycling 10,000 kilometres across Europe. Starting in Greece, the plan is to cycle to the west coast of Ireland. Passing through 15 countries, we cycle through some of the most magical landscapes Europe has to offer. So join us on our first ever bike tour as we learn to navigate the European cycling networks, encounter all weather conditions, and overindulge in our favourite baked goods.
Mine's so crunchy.
In this episode, we find some really beautiful valleys and paths to make our way to Salzburg. Maybe get a little lost and have a little giggle on the way.
What a lovely morning. I'm actually having the best time.
Wow. Great
Guten
bike
Morgen.
handling.
Guten Morgen. It is already 20 to 10 and we've been cycling for 12 kilometres. But we just wanted to catch you up on what happened last night. So after our rainy bench stop, we went down to a campground that was only 7 k's away. We said to ourselves if it was going to be under €30 that we'd take it.
$29.70.
Anyway, on to Salzburg today. We think it's about 100 k's away. We actually just turned off the Mozart route that we were on and now we're on
The KRR and the 20 route. Got a campground in Salzburg for 2 nights probably.
And I'm going to get my bike looked to because the crank has loosened itself. Well, we don't think it's loosened itself, but it's thudding again, so I do want to get it actually looked at.
Well, I think
Booked in. That looks so fun. You going on? No. Oh, I am. Great, ready?
Here we go. The objective is to get the ball on the
Colours.
The title to my Strava today is Beautiful Cycling Routes. It really was. The whole day long we had majestic views of the surrounding mountains. We cycled through forest and valleys and quaint little German towns. We also could not have asked for a better day, especially after a full 100 kilometres yesterday of rain.
Into another really cute town. Every single one of them is so beautiful. I want to stay in all of them. I was actually looking for a gelato place because everyone was eating gelato, but it was really busy. So we're still on our way. The raging river. There's actually like a guy hiking with his like inflatable raft and oar just now, so it must be white water rafting. The track's been really nice, like very undulating. When you get to the top of these steep ones, it's usually like a really fun downhill. I've been loving it.
Wow.
See you in an hour.
Yeah,
That's fast riding. Okay, bye-bye. Guten Morgen. This morning we are in Salzburg. We just stayed at Camping Agen. We're just about 5 kilometres from the city. However, the issue I've been having with my crank is quite bad. The bearing is broken in the middle, something like that. They didn't actually know how to say it to me in English, but we're waiting for a piece to come from Canyon so that they can fix it. So I was in there yesterday, but I had all my bags on my bike. So I'm just gonna ride my bike back to them. And they're either gonna have it till tonight at 6 p.m. or Friday till 6 p.m. because there's a couple of holidays. So I'm on my own. Scott's walking into the city. We're gonna meet each other at the Mozart statue. I don't have data on my phone, but I've downloaded a map on the way to the camping place. This is the longest we've been apart, in 2 months actually. This is going to be about an hour, we hope. So wish me luck. Salzburg is a very good cycling place. There's a lot of cycling routes, so I'm just going to make my way over there. It's between 10 and 14 k's away, I don't really know. Ooh, beautiful sunny day. Really excited to see Salzburg. We could be here for a few days though, so hopefully there's lots to see in the city. So I was just about to leave about 30 minutes ago. Realised that my back tyre was completely flat. So this old girl, Calippo, she's not having a good old time. She's a cranky girl with crank issues. Only one wrong turn so far. Doing good. I don't have to look at my maps all that often because all the cycling routes seem to join together. But there's a castle in the background. That guy's just going for a walk with his lawnmower. Oh, I'm in the wrong gear for this. I've been at this intersection now for like a good 6 or 7 minutes. And every road I go down, Maps Me is telling me the U-turn. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, maybe she wants me to go right here. Oh my goodness. It was like a 6-way street, intersection. I think if I go up here and turn right and then left. Oh. This is the little hole it wants me to go through. Where is it taking me? It looks right though. These are some of the tracks that Maps Me takes us on. Let me do a UE so you can see how small it is. Oh boy. This little guy here. Seriously, where does she come up with it? I've looked at this map a million times. I think I figured it out though. It's because it's like a little bit slow because I don't have any data. So she says turn left when I should have turned left like 100 meters ago. I think I'm up to like maybe 8 UVs. I'm going down there. Looks like a bike track though. Seriously, if you want to have some fun, just get out your Maps Me, try and map yourself to a place in a foreign city, and it will take you down the smallest routes, the most hidden laneways, and you will have a good morning. Guaranteed. Got to go screen.
So it turns out that there was a whole batch of Canyon Grizzles that ended up having this crank issue. Something inside of the crank itself snaps, and the only way to fix this is to get it completely replaced. The team of this bike place was super friendly, and I now have a fully replaced crank and all under warranty. Win-win. Let's go find Scott.
Right, I'm off the bus. I just have to meet Scott at the Mozart Platz, which I think is like 400 meters away. Oh, she's pretty now. Hopefully we can find him in the next few minutes. He's actually been waiting ages. Looks like a square. There's a statue in the middle. Ooh, let's see if we can see Scott. Ooh, I see you.
I thought you were coming the other way.
So did I. So we're back from our day in Salzburg. Great day it was. Bloody lovely. Went to all of the squares. Mozart Platz, something else Platz, Stratz Platz. And then after all the Platz, we went to a beer garden that has like multiple beer halls. So we had a few beers in the sun, talked to some lovely Aussies. Then we walked back into the city along the other side of the river. I feel like we went to like every side of the city. It was really cool. And all the little signs on the road, they're so lovely, and the little laneways. It's just a really beautiful little town. Very busy though. It's very busy. And then we wandered all the way home along the river. This river goes forever. And we walked a lot. 30,000 steps by me, a lot more by Scott, but I had to do that ride this morning. So Just a whole lot of walking.